How to replace the drive belt on a Husqvarna YTH20K46 mower. Husqvarna YTH20K46 tractors use V-belts to drive the rear wheels and power the mower attachment. During lawn maintenance, the belts can become worn and damaged by small rocks and the abrasive effects of dirt. Worn belts can slip and cause a loss of power at the rear wheels and mower, or break and render the machine unusable until repaired. Husqvarna recommends inspecting the belts after every 100 hours of operation and replacing as necessary. Remove the mower attachment. Park the tractor on firm, level ground. Set the parking brake. Turn the ignition switch to the off position and remove the key. Disconnect the spark plug wire from the spark plug and position the wire away from the spark plug. Place the mower attachment clutch in a disengaged position. Lower the mower attachment control lever to its lowest position. Locate the clutch spring at the rear of the mower attachment. Remove the spring clip from the housing guide on the left rear of the attachment. Slide the retainer collar off the clutch housing guide and push the housing guide out of the mounting bracket. Unhook the clutch cable spring from the idler pulley bracket on the right side of the deck. Locate the engine drive pulley under the tractor near the front of the mower attachment. Disengage the belt from the belt guides near the pulley. Pull down on the belt while rotating the drive pulley and roll the belt off the pulley. Leave the belt in place on the other pulleys on the mower attachment. Remove the spring clip and washer from the front mower link. Remove the front mower link from the front mower attachment bracket. Remove the spring clips and washers from the rear mower attachment lifting links and rear suspension arms on both sides of the mower. Disconnect the rear mower lifting links from the rear mower brackets and the suspension arms from the chassis lugs on both sides of the mower. Slide the mower attachment out from the right side of the tractor. Replace the rear wheel drive belt. Lie on your back and slide under the tractor. Observe the routing and position of the drive belt, belt guides and pulleys. Locate the stationary idler pulley and clutching idler pulley just to the rear of the clutch brake pedal cross shaft and remove the belt from them. Locate the center span idler pulley just to the rear of the clutching idler pulley and remove the belt from it. Pull the slack in the belt to the rear of the tractor. Lift the belt up and off the transaxle drive pulley. Pull some slack to the front of the tractor and pull the belt down off the engine pulley at the front of the tractor. Pull the belt out of the tractor from the rear. Install the new belt from the rear to the front of the tractor. Route the belt over the steering plate and the clutch brake pedal cross shaft. Pull the belt to the front of the tractor and install it on the engine drive pulley. Pull some slack to the rear of the tractor and install it on the transaxle drive pulley. Install the belt on the center span idler pulley. Install the belt on the stationary idler pulley and the clutching idler pulley. Make certain the belt is contained within all of the belt guides. Install the mower attachment. Aim the rear suspension arms toward the front of the mower attachment. Slide the mower attachment under the tractor and center it. Install the rear suspension arms on the chassis lugs. Install the washers and spring clips. Lift the rear corners of the mower attachment and slide the lifting link over the lugs on the rear mower brackets. Install the washers and spring clips. Insert the front mower attachment link through the hole in the front mower deck bracket. Install the washer and spring clip. Hook the clutch cable spring in its hole in the idler pulley bracket. Install the clutch cable housing guide in the clutch cable bracket. Slide the clutch housing guide collar on the guide and install the spring clip. Install the belt on the engine drive pulley. Make certain the belt is contained within all of the belt guides. Connect the spark plug wire to the spark plug. Tips warnings. Consult the drive belt installation guide decal located under the left footrest for additional assistance. A diagram on the decal shows the rear wheel drive belt routing. The belts are not adjustable. Replace belts that slip from wear. Once the mower attachment is removed, the mower drive belt is visible and can be changed without further disassembly. Inspect the mower drive belt any time the mower attachment is removed. Know the routing of the mower drive belt before removal. If needed, remove the old drive belt and install a new drive belt on the mower attachment. The mower height control lever will be under a spring load once the deck has been removed. Use caution and a firm grip if you adjust the lever during deck removal. Do not use belt dressing on the drive belts. Belt dressing is an adhesive that will capture dirt and grit and will exacerbate the conditions that cause wear and damage to the belts.